Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 4.1 question number 6. Consider the following figure of line MN. Say whether following statements are true or false in context of the given figure. Here you see the figure is here. We will find whether the statements are true or false. Right. This is the line. Now you see question number A. Q M O N P. Here you see this is Q, this point is Q, this point is Q, Q M O N P. These points are points on the line MN. This is right. MN is the line. Here you see MN, MN. This is M. Here you see this point is M and this point is M. Right. Therefore, all the points that is Q, M, O, N, P are points on the line MN. That is true. Right. Therefore, the first one is true. Right. The question A is true. Right. We'll find it to be true and we written here as true. Right. This is question A is true. Right. Number B. M, O, N are points on a line segment MN. Here is I see that M, O, N are points on line segment MN. Line segment MN is this one. You see this one, that this is the line segment. Here you see this is the line segment MN, M to N. Here you see this is the line segment MN, right? And MON, here you see MON are points on a line segment MN. That is also true, right? Now question number C. M and N are endpoints of line segment MN, right? Here you see MN is this point, M is this one, M is this point, N is this point, right? And M and N are endpoint of line segment MN. This is true. This is the endpoint. This is the endpoint, right? Therefore, M and N are endpoints of line segment MN. That is also true, right? Now, question number D. O and N are endpoints of line segment OP. M and N. M is here. You see, M is point M. Point M is here. Here you see point M, and here is point N. Here is point N. M and N are endpoints of line segment MN. Are endpoints, right? That is also true. That is M and N. Here is M, here is N, and these are the endpoints of line segment MN. That is also true. Now question number D. O and N are endpoints of line segment OP. Here you see ON. ON means this one. You see ON means this line. O and N are endpoints of line segment OP. No, this is false. Why? OP is here from here to here. You see, this line segment is OP, right? But it is said that O and N are endpoints of line segment OP. No, the endpoints are O and P actually, right? Therefore, O and N are endpoints of line segment OP is false, right? Therefore, the question D is false. Now, question number E. M is one of the endpoints of line segment QO. Here you see QO. This is QO. Find here. This is QO. This is Q. And this is O. This is Q, right? This is Q. And this is O, right? What is the question? That M is one of the endpoint. M is one of the endpoints of the line segment QO. Now that is false, not endpoint. M is in the middle of the line segment, right? Here you see M is here. M is here, right? Therefore, this is also false. Now F. M is point on ray OP. M, here is M, here is M. Here you see, this is M. this is M, right? This one is M, right? M is one of the endpoints of the line segment QO. QO is line this one, right? OM is one of the endpoint. No, endpoint is Q and O. Therefore, this is also false, right? Now, F. M is point on ray OP. M is point on ray OP. OP is starts from here. You see, this is ray OP. Ray OP starts from here. You see this one. Ray OP starts from here and it goes on up to here, right? And the question is M is point on ray OP. No, this is false. Okay, right? Only N is the point on OP, right? Therefore, M is point on ray OP is false. This is false. Now G, ray OP is different from ray QP. Where is ray OP? This one. Let us first rub the previous one. Then we can explain it clearly, right? Now you see, we'll rub these points, right? Now we will again explaining the same, right? Now ray OP, where is ray OP? Ray OP is same as ray OM. Ray OP, or you can explain question number G. Question number G is ray OP. Where is OP? Here you see the ray. Here you see I have taken. Now question number G. Now question number G. Ray OP is different from ray QP. Where is ray OP? Here you see. Ray OP. This is ray OP. This is ray OP. Is different from ray QP. Here see, QP is the ray. If QP starts from here, you see that QP starts from here. QP. Right? That what is the question? G, that OP, ray OP is different from ray QP. It is true because here OP, O is the end point, right? And in case of QP, Q is the end point. Therefore, it is different, right? Therefore, ray OP is different from ray QP is true, right? Now H, ray OP is same as ray OM. Ray OP is here, you see, ray OP. This is ray OP. This is ray OP and ray OM. OM is opposite to that, right? Here you see that row OM is in this direction, right? Therefore, they are opposite. Therefore, ray o, o, OP is same as row OM. That is false, right? That is, this is also false. This is false, right? Now, question number I. What is question number I? Question number I, you see. Now, question number I. Ray OM is not opposite to ray OP. Where is OM? OM is this one. You see, OM is this one. Ray OM. This is ray OM, right? This is O. This is M. Ray OM is not opposite to ray OP. OP is in this direction, but they are opposite to each other. The question is not here OP is opposite to each other, but they are given that ray OM is not opposite to ray OP. That is false. Okay, actually they are opposite. Now question number J. O is not an initial point of OP. O is not an initial point of OP. OP, where is it? There is OP. Here you see this is OP, right? And here you see that O is the initial point. O is the initial point of ray OP. Therefore, O is not initial point is false. Therefore, the answer is false, right? Therefore, this is false. Therefore, this is false. Now, question number K. N is the initial point of NP and NM. It is true also. NP means here you see this is NP, right? And NM and NM is initial point of NP and NM. NP, therefore this is the initial point. And if you write NM, NM in this direction, and also in this case, N is the initial point, right? Therefore, you can say it to be true, right? This is the solution of question number 6, exercise 4.1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.